Okay, do me a favor. Take a really deep breath. Go on. Feels like, well, like nothing, right? Just air. But what if I told you that air is actually this wild, invisible mosh pit of different gases, and every single one of them is pushing down on you right now? It's true. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain on this hidden world of pressure, all thanks to a brilliant guy named John Dalton.
So that leads to a pretty big question, doesn't it? What are you really breathing? Because it's not just one single thing. Nope. It's more like a team, a whole squad of different gases. And if we want to understand the pressure we're always under, we first have to meet the players.
And here's the lineup. First up, the big one, nitrogen. This guy is the silent majority, making up a massive 78% of the air we breathe. Then, of course, there's oxygen. You know, the stuff we actually need to live. It's the runner-up at about 21%. And then you've got these other trace gases, like argon, kind of hanging out in the background. So yeah, it's a real mix. But how do they all manage to get along in the same space? And that right there, that's the big mystery. How do all these totally different gases, all bouncing around, create the one single unified air pressure that we feel every single day? You know, this was a real head-scratcher for scientists for a long, long time. But it turns out the answer, well, it's shockingly simple. This is where John Dalton comes in with an idea that was a total game changer. He basically said, look, think of it this way. Each gas in the air acts like it has the whole room to itself. It's not bothered by any of the other gases. It's just doing its own thing, exerting its own pressure. So if you want to find the total pressure, you just add up all those individual pressures. Seriously, that's it. Now there's a name for this concept. That individual pressure each gas contributes is called its partial pressure. I love this analogy. It's like a potluck dinner, right? One person brings the salad, another brings the main course, someone else brings dessert. The entire feast on the table is just the sum of all those individual dishes. Each gas is just bringing its own little dish, its own partial pressure, to the party. Okay, let's make this super clear with an example. Imagine we have a box, and inside we've got gas A. We measure its pressure, and it comes out to 1 atmosphere. Pretty straightforward, right? That's its partial pressure. That's piece number 1. All right, now let's take an identical box, but this time we fill it with gas B. This gas is a little more energetic. It's pushing harder. Its partial pressure is 2 atmospheres. So now we have our 2 ingredients ready to go. So here's the million-dollar question. What do you think happens when we mix them both together in the same box? What's that total pressure going to be? Take a guess. If you guessed 3, you are absolutely right. It's just simple addition. You take the 1 atmosphere from gas A, add the 2 atmospheres from gas B, and boom, you get a total pressure of 3 atmospheres. It's just so elegant, isn't it? Such a simple rule for something that seems so complex. Okay, but this isn't just some neat little classroom experiment. This stuff has huge life or death implications in the real world. Think about a scuba diver. When they go down just 30 meters or about 100 feet, the total pressure on their body is 4 times what it is up here at sea level. That's an incredible amount of pressure, and it completely changes the game for the partial pressures of the gases in their tank. And that's why Dalton's law is so critical. It's literally a lifesaver. It's how divers calculate their gas mixes to avoid getting the bends, which is incredibly dangerous. It's how anesthesiologists mix gases perfectly for surgery. It's even how engineers make sure we can all breathe safely in an airplane cabin at 30,000 feet. All of these modern marvels, they're possible because we understand partial pressures. So let's just boil it all down to its core. The big takeaway is this simple, powerful formula. The total pressure is just the sum of all the little partial pressures, P1 plus P2 plus P3, and so on. It's a beautiful idea that has some really, really profound effects on our lives. You know, learning about Dalton's law is such a great reminder that our world is just humming with these invisible forces, all following these elegant, sometimes simple rules. And it just gets you thinking, right? What other incredible secrets are hiding all around us, just in plain sight, waiting for someone to figure them out? Something to ponder. Thanks for diving into this with me today.